What's up, YouTube? Hey, it's me again, Stephen, for this vlog. Yes. Okay. I want to apologize for not been updating. First, for not updating. Second, for being a retard. Sorry if I was retarded even in the first video. Sorry, my video is not bright because of our light. Look at what I made. See? Please subscribe. This is S, okay? That's not F. This is my Tumblr account. That was just 1 year ago, but I don't update it. But I have updated it already. And follow me on Twitter. Twitter, it's me. Oh, Facebook, add me, sgsa17@yahoo.com. Okay. So, so I was happy to tell you that I was so happy to create that ones for just like Natalie's background, the tree, the cherry something tree. Yeah, I just glued my picture there, so it will be only like, yeah. I'm being retarded again. Sorry, I'm retarded because here in the Philippines, people are being like retarded. Why do people get so retarded when they speak English, right? So please give me an answer, and please subscribe, watch, like, follow me on Twitter, subscribe me on YouTube, follow me on Tumblr, and add me on Facebook. Love ya. Peace out, home.